Hey, what's up guys, Rajdeep here, and today's video we're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to attempt a 0 to 100 kmph on my 7-year-old Volkswagen Polo 1.2 liter MPI Highline. Now I know that's a lot of words. So basically it's a 74 horsepower motor that's naturally aspirated 3-cylinder engine. It's 7 year 2 months old to the date today. Now, we are not going to test this under completely ideal conditions. We are at half tank of fuel. The air conditioning will be turned off and so will the music system. As always, I always recommend to wear a helmet and gloves while you're doing any such thing, and make sure there are no cars in the vicinity ahead or behind you on the road. Right, so helmet, gloves on. We're going to set off